Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ataullah Shakur, and here is my photo ID. Is it clear? All right. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Here is Mr. Kamran. He came for a hijamah session. He just approached me to perform this sunnah. And Kamran, assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
First of all, I would like to ask few questions. So, why you are here for hijamah? Do you know about hijamah? What is hijamah? What do you know about hijamah?
Hijamah is a sunnah. It's a very big sunnah. It was gifted to Holy Prophet when he was on Miraj Sharif. I am here to perform hijamah because my doctor diagnosed some blood circulation problem. That's why I'm here.
All right.
Top of this is a sunnah.
On top of that, this is a big sunnah. Okay, all right. You know the process. I will briefly describe the process. I would apply 3 cups on your back, and obviously I would apply a massage cupping, dry cupping, and then wet cupping. Okay.
Go ahead.
During the session, I will be asking, about your condition and this and this. Have you watched any video about hijamah and this and?
Yes.
All right. That's good. Are you all right?
Yes,
you ready for hijamah?
I'm ready.
MashaAllah.
Go
MashaAllah. Achha. Okay, Kamran, I would like to ask about some medical condition. Are you taking any aspirin or Loprine or some kind of
No.
blood thinner?
I have just drank a glass of water a half an hour ago.
All right, that's very good. I have not taken, full meal, that. All right. About in your family, any person have, the history of sugar, blood pressure, or like?
My father is a diabetic patient.
Diabetic patient. Okay. You feel okay? Your blood pressure level is okay. You've been monitoring your blood pressure.
I have
level.
monitored my blood sugar. It was fine. It was in the normal ranges.
Okay. You haven't taken any blood thinner tablet?
No.
Okay. All right. Are you okay?
Alhamdulillah.
You're not frightened,
I am feeling good.
You feel
I'm happy that I am performing this sunnah.
MashaAllah. Now I will start.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Yes, I will put some olive oil on that. Just cleaning your back with the alcohol wipe,
Okay.
Right. It's called dry cupping. You feeling okay?
Alhamdulillah.
I think the tension of the cup is okay, not bothering you.
It's good.
It's good. Okay, that's fine. Your idea?
Yes.
Now we will put the cup for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
You know, gather the toxic, we'll gather one piece, and then we will do the next one.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه
You feel it okay?
Alhamdulillah. When you applied a cup with olive oil, I felt very much pleasure. When you circulate on it,
You feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
That's very good. That's very good. It's a massage cupping. And during the session, I will further inform you that will tell you if you feel any drowsiness or dizziness or headache, you will tell me immediately, and you can lay down on the floor, and I will suggest you what you have to do. Don't worry about that. If you feel any kind of headache, dizziness or drowsiness, you will tell me. Okay?
الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم ومن الناس من يقول آمنا بالله وباليوم الآخر وما هم بمؤمنين يخادعون الله والذين آمنوا وما يخدعون إلا
No, I will make small incisions or like scratches. You will feel a pinch, a needle is pricking needle.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
ولهم عذاب أليم بما كانوا يكذبون وإذا قيل لهم لا تفسدوا في الأرض قالوا إنما نحن مصلحون ألا إنهم هم المفسدون
How was that, Kamran? That's good. Are
Nothing-
you okay? Yeah?
Nothing special.
Oh, okay. MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
آمنوا كما آمن الناس قالوا أنؤمن كما آمن السفهاء ألا إنهم هم السفهاء ولكن لا يعلمون وإذا
Before coming to you, I made ablution.
MashaAllah,
Then I
MashaAllah.
came
Ablution is very good. If you make wudu or ablution, that's very good because you're performing a sunnah,
Alhamdulillah.
and that's very good. Inshallah, I will perform these points on one of your points will be placed like here. One point that I applied this point right now, and after that I would apply it like this point and these 3 cups, for blood circulation stimulation, and inshallah you will feel very good after this session.
كصيب من السماء فيه ظلمات ورعد وبرق يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم
I put some olive oil for massage.
Okay.
Don't worry about the stickiness if you feel anything.
YouTube player.
Mashallah, mashallah. It also stimulates your toxin metals, gathered by your lymphatic system. The lymphatic system brings all the toxin metals on the upper layer of the skin, and then hijamah will just
فأتوا بسورة من مثله وادعوا شهداءكم من دون الله إن كنتم صادقين فإن لم تفعلوا ولن تفعلوا فاتقوا النار التي وقودها الناس والحجارة أعدت للكافرين وبشر الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أن لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار كلما رزقوا منها
It's fine?
Yes.
قالوا هذا الذي رزقنا من قبل وأتوا به متشابها ولهم فيها أزواج
What is the condition of the toxics?
Toxic are good.
إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين الذين ينقضون عهد الله
First point done?
Yes, it's done. I'll make incision. I'm going to make incision on the second point.
Okay. May I bend down? Or it's fine?
No, it's all right. You all right?
Oh, it's
How are
fine.
you feeling?
Alhamdulillah,
It's
good.
good.
Normal.
No pressure. Nothing else. Your temperature, body, it's okay.
Everything is fine. I'm feeling good.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها ثم عرضهم على الملائكة فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون وإذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس أبى واستكبر وكان من الكافرين وقلنا يا آدم اسكن أنت وزوجك الجنة وكلا منها رغدا حيث شئتما ولا تقربا هذه الشجرة فتكونا من الظالمين فأزلهما الشيطان عنها فأخرجهما مما كانا فيه
You're right.
وقلنا
Good.
اهبطوا بعضكم
I thought you were trying to say something.
ولكم في الأرض
I'm feeling I'm trust bus.
You know why we are playing this tilawa? Because it's a part of Ruqya. It's working as a Ruqya. We're playing this Surah Bakra. If you are inflicted of sihr or evil eye or anything else, hijamah, with hijamah, the evil eye, the spirit will be removed. Inshallah. So, when Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was inflicted with sihr, he was also cupped. He also had hijamah. So that's why ulama fuqaha says that with hijamah, the evil spirit, the evil eye, and anybody inflicted with sihr, inshallah will be removed.
Inshallah.
يا بني إسرائيل اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأوفوا بعهدي
I'm going to remove the second cup.
أوف بعهدكم وإياي فارهبون
You like little bit bend with it backward. MashaAllah.
Is it okay?
Yes, everything is fine.
معكم ولا تكونوا أول كافر به ولا تشتروا بآياتي ثمنا قليلا وإياي فاتقون ولا تلبسوا الحق بالباطل وتكتموا الحق وأنتم تعلمون
MashaAllah, the second cup. I've removed the second cup. Inshallah. I hope you're feeling Okay.
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Now I'm going to apply the third cup.
الناس بالبر وتنسون أنفسكم وأنتم تتلون الكتاب أفلا تعقلون واستعينوا بالصبر والصلاة وإنها لكبيرة إلا على الخاشعين.
Hijama can be applied only on sitting position, or it can be.
No, not necessarily. If you don't feel any comfortability with sitting position, you can lay down.
Okay. No,
On
I'm
bed.
fine. I was
Yeah,
just
you're
getting
fine. That's
information.
why I asked you twice before I applied the cuffs. If you feel any dizziness or your blood pressure level is low, you can lay down. That would be good. But this position, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam applied hijama mostly on this position. That's why we recommend the best position.
Okay.
Sitting position. The tradition, Arab tradition, as for applying hijama is with sitting positions.
نجيناكم من آل فرعون يسومونكم سوء العذاب يذبحون أبناءكم ويستحيون نساءكم وفي ذلكم بلاء من ربكم عظيم وإذ فرقنا بكم البحر فأنجيناكم وأغرقنا آل فرعون وأنتم تنظرون وإذ واعدنا موسى 40 ليلة ثم اتخذتم العجل من بعده
And would you please bend a little bit forward? Yes, that's a nice.
عفونا عنكم
Bismillah.
من بعد ذلك لعلكم تشكرون.
Here your skin, it's a delicate part of your skin. That's why you're feeling.
قال لعلكم تهتدون. وإذ قال موسى لقومه يا قوم إنكم ظلمتم أنفسكم باتخاذكم العجل
You take it easy.
Okay.
Okay. All right. After hijama, mashallah, you are performing the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I would recommend you to take a good diet after hijama. The toxic blood, we remove the toxic blood, and after that your fresh blood will replace with that vacuum created with this blood. So I would recommend you to take a good diet, juices, vegetables, and try to avoid junk food like deep fried, fast food.
Okay.
Try to avoid these food, and you will feel more relaxed, inshallah. I will make dua that your blood circulation level will improve, inshallah,
Inshallah. Ameen.
and the problem will be eliminated, inshallah, with this sunnah.
وإذ قلنا ادخلوا هذه القرية فكلوا منها حيث شئتم رغدا وادخلوا الباب سجدا وقولوا حطة نغفر لكم خطاياكم وسنزيد المحسنين فبدل الذين ظلموا قولا غير الذي قيل كالحجر فانفجرت منه 12 عينا قد علم كل أناس مشربهم كلوا واشربوا من رزق الله ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين وإذ قلتم يا موسى لن نصبر على طعام
You feel okay, yeah?
Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, mashallah. You don't feel any headache or dizziness?
I'm feeling relaxed.
Relax. Yes,
Feeling
that's
relaxed.
good, that's good.
I'm feeling
That's good.
relaxed.
Mashallah. You know, Kamran, tell me the tension of cup is good, yeah?
It's fine.
Not less or not too much tension cup.
You can put more. I'm fine.
Alright, alright. It's alright, it's alright. The blood is draining good.
اهبطوا مصرا فإن لكم ما سألتم وضربت عليهم الذلة والمسكنة وباءوا بغضب من الله ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون النبيين
It's good enough. Blood has been flooded. I'm going to remove this one
Okay.
as well.
Okay.
Inshallah.
إن الذين آمنوا والذين هادوا والنصارى والصابئين من آمن بالله واليوم الآخر وعمل صالحا فلهم أجرهم عند ربهم ولا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون وإذ أخذنا ميثاقكم ورفعنا فوقكم الطور خذوا ما آتيناكم بقوة واذكروا
I would apply some iodine
Okay.
to save you from infection, any kind of infection.
It's antiseptic.
Yes.
فلولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لكنتم
It's all done.
من
Almost it's done. I'm just applying
ولقد علمتم
iodine. I have also removed the third cup. Mashallah, successfully done.
قردة خاسئين فجعلناها نكالا لما بين يديها وما
Please
خلفها
bend forward.
وموعظة للمتقين وإذ قال موسى لقومه إن الله يأمركم أن تذبحوا بقرة قالوا
Just wipe out the
أتتخذنا هزوا
olive oil, you know,
قال أعوذ
good for massage.
أن أكون من الجاهلين قالوا ادع لنا ربك يبين لنا ما هي قال
MashaAllah.
إنه يقول
It's all done.
إنها بقرة
You just put on your shirt.
ولا بكر
Thanks a lot.
بين ذلك فافعلوا ما تؤمرون ربك يبين لنا ما هي إن البقرة شابه علينا
Sold
وإنا
one.
إن
Move this.
الله لمهتدون قال إنه
Just
يقول
from after. Pause it.
إنها بقرة لا ذلول يحيي الله الموتى
Please sit down, Kamran.
ويريكم
Thank you.
آياته لعلكم تعقلون ثم قست قلوبكم من بعد ذلك فهي كالحجارة أو أشد قسوة وإن من الحجارة لما يتفجر منه الأنهار وإن منها لما يشقق فيخرج منه الماء وإن منها لما يهبط من خشية الله وما الله بغافل عما تعملون
just pause it. I just come back after hand wash. Just come back.
On.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون وإذ أخذنا
I just come back after hand wash.
وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك منكم
MashaAllah, Brother Kamran.
Thank you so very
You
much.
completed successfully the session. Are
Alhamdulillah.
you feeling okay?
I am good. Alhamdulillah.
No problem, no blood pressure. I think you look relaxed.
It's good.
MashaAllah,
I
MashaAllah,
we thank
MashaAllah.
to Allah Almighty.
MashaAllah. Brother, just pray for us as well. And Alhamdulillah, we have completed session successfully and we are ready for the next session. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.